Okay, let's begin.
Trallallero trallallà, porco Dio e porco Allah.
Oh yeah, I'm in Los Angeles, and I'm already ready to destroy this world and claim it as mine. But first, I'm gonna go see the beauty of this place.
Welcome to KTLA Channel 5. My name is Sigma Ralpha, and this is the weather forecast. It is currently 76 degrees outside and it is sunny. Wear some sunscreen when you go out, or you will get sunburnt. Now for the top stories. It has been 20 years since the attacks of September 11th in New York City. We will honor all of the lives lost during that disturbing time. And finally, a new game called Ralph vs. Abraham is out on the PS5. So be quick to buy it. That is all of the news I have for now. This is Sigma Ralpha signing off.
Guys, I see a shark.
Quince, there is no shark on land. How can you see one? Holy shit, we were right, Quince. There is a shark on land.
Told you, dumbass.
Hey guys, what's going on here?
Quince just saw a fucking shark with shoes on land.
Should I activate the emergency alert system?
Yes, you should, Jaden.
Okay, I will be back in a few.
Are you sure?
Sure, I'm sure. Look.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department.
At 10:22 a.m., the police department saw a shark with blue Nike shoes somehow being able to walk and breathe on land. It was last seen walking down the street, blocking cars, and bumping into them. If you have any information about this creature, then call the police department immediately. Stay tuned for future updates as this weird situation unfolds.
Okay, let's go destroy the park first, and then the beach. Both the park and the beach are completely destroyed. I'm gonna call Bombardino to come help me.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department.
The shark with blue shoes has been identified. His name is Trallallero Trallalla. And in his meme, he had called God a pig. And a few minutes ago, he had left the park and the beach in ruins. The police are working hard to get rid of Trallallero Trallalla. But for now, stay calm and tune into future updates.
All right, Ema, call Bombardino.
Hello?
Bombardino, it's me, Trallallero.
What the hell do you want?
I need your help to destroy California.
And why is that?
Because if we do, then we will conquer other states when we are done and make our own country.
Okay, that doesn't sound too bad. I'm on my way right now.
All right, see you later. Bye. This is gonna be great.
13 minutes later.
Bombardino crocodilo.
Okay, I'm here now. I'm gonna let Tralala know.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department.
We have gotten several 911 calls that an old B-17 flying fortress with a crocodile head was seen flying around California. We're not sure if this thing is connected to Trallallero Trallalla, but we are looking for more info about this creature. If you have any info about it, then call the police department or call 911. Stay tuned to radio stations as this situation unfolds.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department.
The entity from earlier has now been identified. His name is Bombardino Crocodillo, and he is expected to drop a bomb in the next 25 minutes. All residents in and near Los Angeles should evacuate immediately. Grab stuff such as food, water, clothing, medications, phones, chargers, flashlight, and a firearm. Failing to do so could put you in certain death. Remember, this bomb is a nuclear bomb that could completely destroy Los Angeles. Also bring a battery-powered radio to monitor for updates.
Alright, it's time to drop this hellish bomb. That will make them shut the fuck up.
Brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim.
Looks like I'm in San Mateo. Let's go see more of this place.
Introducing the Toon Squad and LeBron James.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Mateo Police Department. We've gotten several 911 calls that a proboscis monkey on its hind legs, with leaves all around it, was seen walking in the streets of San Mateo. No one knows where it came from, and no one knows what it is, but all residents of San Mateo are advised to be vigilant at this time. If you have any details about this creature, then call the police department or call 911. Consider monitoring your local media outlets for updates if they become available.
Own your style like a champ with a toy from Space Jam, a new legacy, rated PG, and enjoy delicious apples in your McDonald's Happy Meal.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Mateo Police Department. The creature covered with leaves and plants has now been identified. His name is Bear Patapim. Patapim was last seen growing really dangerous trees and plants that are surrounding the San Mateo area. Bear Patapim is considered really dangerous and should not be approached. All residents in the San Mateo area are advised to shelter indoors immediately. Continue to monitor for updates if they become available.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants shall follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States or his designated representative will address the nation shortly. Please stand by. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
Fellow Americans, Americans. I am a representative of the President, since he's being taken to an undisclosed location for his protection. I am here to address the national crisis going on as I speak. First off, this situation began in Los Angeles, where two creatures named Tralalero Tralala and Bombardino Crocodilo appeared there. And then, over at San Mateo, another creature named Berber Patapim appeared. And now, those three aren't alone anymore, as more brainrots have been appearing all over the United States. And yes, they are technically called brainrots, by the way. Man, what a stupid name. Anyway, 4 of the creatures have been identified. Their names are Tok Toby Tok, Ketupak Kepa, Cappuccino Assassino, and Dragon Cannelloni. There are way more brainrots than I could say, but I don't want to because that would be too much for me. The military is kinda struggling to take down the brainrots, but all we can do is just hope for the best. This is the United States, and we will not give up without a fight because we are one nation under God. Thank you for listening, fellow Americans. Again, I am the representative, signing off.
That was the representative's message.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. All clear. I repeat, all clear. All of the Italian Brainrot creatures have been defeated. Also, the military has also gotten some help from a creature known as Tung 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 Sahur. Tung Tung has used his powers to defeat all of the brainrots at the same time. It is now considered safe to exit your shelters. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Now for
a conversation with Triple T and the military.
Yo, Triple T, thanks for your help against the brainrots. Oh, no need to thank me. Wait a minute. Doesn't the internet consider you a brainrot? Oh, gotta go. See ya. What the hell just happened?